Hello everyone, welcome to Custom Squad. So today we will learn some basic and starting tools of Adobe Photoshop. So before I start my video, please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon button. Let's start the video. First, on right side you can see these layers. This is the image and this document layer. So first you check your image. If this type of icon has on your image, then right click on layer and rasterize the layer, because if you didn't rasterize the layer then you can't do any type of editing on your image. So first rasterize the image, then go to tools. So first is move tool. If you click on move tool, then you can move anything on your window like this. You can move your image. And next is marquee tool, rectangular marquee tool. So if you click on rectangular marquee tool, and like this you can select any part of your image, then right click on selection part, click on layer where copy or layer where cut. So if click on cut, so the selected part of your image is separated. You can see like this. Like this you can hide any layer. If you click on this icon and undo, if again click on this icon like this. So next is lasso tool. If you click on lasso tool, then click and move the arrow around your required area. Right click, layer where copy or cut. So you can see the layer is created of your selection. So if you hide other layers, then you can see your selection like this. Or if you want to export this selection, then just hide other layers and go to file and then export your image. And if you want to delete your layer, then right click, and if you go here you see delete layer, click on this, click yes. So your layer is deleted. If you want to delete this layer, right click and click on delete layer. So click yes and your layer is deleted. Right click, delete layer, yes. So fourth is object selection tool. If you click on this for some seconds, then you can see these three options. First is object selection tool, quick selection tool and magic wand tool. So first is object selection tool. This is not available in old versions. This is available only in updated versions, and these two are available in old versions. So first, if you select this object selection tool and select the area of your image you want to select and leave, so they automatically navigate your image and make the selection like this. Like this you can move your selection also. If you want to deselect your selection, then go to select and click on deselect, click on quick selection tool and then click on your image and move the circle. Then they automatically make selection, but this is select. But this tool select whole image, so you want to deselect some part of your image, just click on this minus brush tool like this and click and deselect the area like this, move to right side and deselect this area. This is not a perfect selection, so if you want to cut this part of your image, right click and click on layer via cut or copy. So next is crop tool. If you click on crop tool, then if you click on crop tool, this line appear around your image. If you move this line like this from left to right and enter, so the image is cropped. Now again go to crop and crop from left side like this and enter, so your image is like this. Next is frame tool. If you click on frame tool and select any part of your image, now you can move your image like this. Next is eyedropper tool. If you click on eyedropper tool, then you can pick any color from your image. For example, if I want to pick this brown color, and now you see in this box brown color, if I pick this white color, gray color, then this color, so like this you can pick any color from your image if you want to use this color. If you click on this, then this color picker window is appear, and next is spot healing brush tool. If you select this spot healing brush tool and some settings of spot healing brush tool on the top of window, from here you can set the size of the circle like this, 380, 725 or 5000. You can select the hardness or softness from here, but I set the hardness 100%, 1500. So after setting the size of this tool, spot healing tool, you can remove any object, any person, anything from your image like this. Just go to your image and like I want to remove this kid picture, so just set the circle and click like this. You can remove anything from image. So if I set the circle and click on this girl, so you can see now on my image both kids images are removed by spot healing brush tool. Hope you guys understand how you can use these tools. If you have any question, then ask me in comment section. I will be happy to answer all your queries. If you like my video, please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon button. See you in another interesting and informative video. Take care. Bye bye.